Hello there, everybody. I'm Kate, and also I'm gonna be playing Animal Jam. Well, since I have an obsession of wolves, of course I would stay as a wolf. Now, shout out also before I begin the game. Shout out to It's Funny. She's my favorite YouTuber. She is just the best. She's really funny and all those things. She's so funny because her name's Funny, but also she is really nice and kind. So shout out to her. Go check her channel. Also, yeah. I'm sorry guys, I was just eating something. So yeah, let's get started. So first, let's go explore. I had purple trading in my den. I don't really want to trade, so yeah. Not now, sir. Maybe if I see you again, we're gonna go trading, but not right now. Okay. Whoa, it's dark. This is so a nice place, Oh, now we can go to the water slide. I look so fabulous. We'll go jump and splash and jump and sit down and sleep. Whee! Okay. Oh, for a second when I was here, I thought that blue wolf was standing on the fountain. I was like, wait, how did you get up there? I want to get up there. So yeah. You guys, let's try a game. No, I just went to the other side. Okay. Let's go and play a game. Let's play. Wait, no, I clicked the wrong game. I accidentally clicked the wrong game, so I'm just gonna exit here real quick. Let's get back. Hold on, where's my camera? Oh, okay. I just saw that girl or boy turn. I think it's a girl, cause yeah, it's a girl. I just saw it turn into a wolf. Okay, so I'm actually choosing Falling Phantoms. Did I read? I read it after I clicked it. Okay, so what's this? Set. Go. Wait, what are we supposed to do? Oh, I think we're supposed to dodge it. I'm just gonna stay here and chill. That's gonna hit me. I guess it hates my spot. Oh, it's getting bigger. Oh, I thought I just got hit by one. I'm just here at the corner. Whoops. No, I got it. No. Why do you have to be so rude? Go. Okay, now I know what to do. Bam. Oh no. Oh, I almost went straightly to that. I don't know, octopus? Is that an octopus? It looks like an octopus. No, wait, no, I didn't move. I died. Okay, I'll try this one more time. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna try again first. Why is it like screaming? See? And it has giant eyeballs. Whoa! I did not see that. No! I got hit. No! Ah, darn. Okay, one more game and we're changing games. Gonna try surviving. No! But I died already. Ugh. You know what? Yep, we're quitting. We're going to another game. For you guys, that might be easy. It's just... Yup, my brother's right here. Never mind, let's go play some other games. Hello. He just said hello. Okay, let's play Phantom Dodger. That loading's really fast. Well, good thing. But touch and hold to start. What's this? Oh! You're supposed to dodge! Okay. Yup. Got it. No! My paw. Let's do this again. No! I got hit already. Okay, let's do this one more time. One more time. Wait, no, I wasn't supposed to do that, weren't I? Yep, I failed. Oh, I can see my frozen paw. No! Darn. Let's play another game. Actually, I want to explore. Okay. Oh, we're gonna swim. What's that? I don't want to play a game. Actually, I found out there's a hidden place under here. So we're gonna go right there real quick. Nice. Well, okay, this is just furniture. What's here on the top? Some clothes. Wait, can we like jump? I can't jump. Okay, let's go here. Let's see if there's other things to explore. Nope, that's all. Did I drown? Drowning. Ah, my nose! I can't breathe! Ah, I'm just kidding. I'm twirling around. Could you go to other places? Whoa! Look! I look so beautiful. Okay. No, I don't want to go there. Let's see. Let's click the earth and where should we go? Oh, we could battle some people. Not really battle. We're just, just playing with them. I'm gonna ask someone if they want. Wait, why is it taking too long? Is it because I'm here already? Oh no. Let's just go here. There's not much people. Oh, I see a bunny. We're gonna ask her to play. There's a new game. Beachside Bits. We can try that, but let's play Kingpin. Oh, she wants to play. Yes. Wait, does she? Oh yeah, she does. Let's go play. Volleyball. Yeah, blah blah blah. I know that. It's like, what do you mean, winky face? Oh no. I'm gonna feel so bad. Yep. I'm bad at bowling. She's giving me a winky face. She's gonna be good at this. Give her a little smile for good luck. Next row. Come on, you can do it. What? Nice! Got it. No! So close. Oh, she almost got a strike. Oh, so close. Strike! Strike! I got a strike, yes! Too bad I didn't get a strike earlier. Come on, what are we waiting for? Well, I think she's better. Look, I got 18, she got 26. Oh, darn. That's okay. My nose is still running. What should we say? We can't really say much. She's taking a while. Hey, Bunny, are you gonna do it or not? You're taking so long. Look, I'm not judging you. It's just I'm kind of not patient in games, okay? You know what? We're gonna ditch her. We're gonna find another. We're gonna find another person. Food passes through a giant squid's brain on the way to its stomach. Okay, wait, if the lizard's there walking at the... this is just weird. Okay. I'm gonna end it up here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment down at the comment box below. 1 up to 10. Give me a vote if you liked my first video. Don't worry, I'm gonna get an intro soon enough. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next episode. Thank you, guys.